Okay, so I'm at the top, and as you can see, a phenomenal view. If I don't know if you can see this on the video or not, but right there, those are mountains in North Georgia. So those would be almost to North Carolina, Tennessee, somewhere around there. In other words, on a clear day, which today's a pretty clear day, you can see a really long ways. Probably take about an hour and a half to drive from here to there on the expressway, something on that order. But anyway, last video, you got your YouTube channel going, you got it built. So what? What's it doing for you? And this gets back to the first video about why you're doing this. What do you want it to do? For me in my business, I want to build a list and I want to sell products to that list and also want to brand myself for other reasons. Why are you doing this? I mean, if you want to sell affiliate products, how are you going to get people to click on your affiliate link? If you want to build a list, how are you going to get people to go to your squeeze page and enter their email and their name and all that so that they get on your list? How is all that happening? You've got cards in the middle of the video, you've got end screens at the end of the video. Those are one way that we get people off of the video. Another thing is you could just put a link in the description. If you will look at my descriptions, the first thing in any description is a link. Now, the link's clickable only if you start with the entire link. It's got to go HTTP or HTTPS, whichever one it is, / whatever. It's got to be that entire thing. So it can't just be the name of your website like bobsmith.com. That won't make a clickable link. But HTTP / www.bobsmith.com, that'll make a clickable link. So you got to get that whole thing in there. And you also want people to go from one video to another, so you have to give people reasons to do that. Like, and that's one thing that we use cards and end screens and stuff like that for. So think about why you're doing this. Think about what the goal is. Start with the goal in mind, build out a killer YouTube account. Uploading every single day is the trick. Okay, don't worry about the details. Just upload every single day and you will get there. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this playlist. My name's Lee Cole. Subscribe to my videos. You'll just see a subscribe button down here. Click that bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video, which is going to be every day. And get on my list. There's going to be a link in many of these videos where you can get on my list. You'll get a cool ebook, which was a bestseller on Amazon for a while, which will tell you all about my story, how I broke free of the dreaded 9-to-5 and created a killer lifestyle business, which I've been running for 8 years now, going on 9 years. So, my name's Lee Cole. Thanks so much. Hope you learned a ton from this, and I hope that I talk to you soon. Bye.